on Instagram and wondering, who actually liked my reel? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly where to tap to see every single like. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're on the Home tab with the house icon at the bottom left. Now, go to the reel you want to check. You can find it in your profile grid, or tap the Reels icon at the bottom center to browse your Reels. Tap on that reel to open it full screen. You should now see your video playing with icons on the right side. If your reel opens muted, that's normal, sound doesn't affect how you see likes. Just make sure the video itself is visible on screen. Once your reel is open, we're ready to check who liked it. Now let's zoom in on the exact button you need to tap. Look just below the caption or description of your reel. You'll see text like "liked by" followed by a name and a number of others, or simply a likes count. Tap directly on that "liked by" text or on the number of likes. This is the key step that opens the full list of people who liked your reel. A new screen will slide up showing a list of accounts with their profile pictures, usernames, and follow buttons. These are all the people who liked that reel. You can scroll up and down this list to see every liker. Use the search bar at the top, if available, to quickly check for a specific name. If you don't see a likes count, check that the reel is yours and your app is updated. Some privacy settings or app versions may limit what you can view. That's it. Open your reel, tap the likes line, and scroll the list. Save this video so you'll always know exactly how to check who liked your Instagram reels.